So the colours I'm going to use today are Kuretake Mars Yellow and a greyish blue. And I need a smaller brush. I was going to use a size 10, but because it's so small, I need a smaller brush if I'm going to mark make. So I've got a size 7 here. Okay, so I'm just going to go straight in, get some colour on my brush, and I'm just going to drag some of this colour down here. And I'm going to do another band, about the same size, both of them. And then I'm going to grab the blue, as straight line as I can get it without worrying about it too much. Okay, and this one I'm just going to do some bubbly kind of shapes. So just with the tip of the brush, circling around. I'm actually now going to swap to the blue. I want that to mix with the orange there, if you can see that. And I'm now going to swap it back to the orange colour. Grab some more orange. I've just washed the brush again. A circle here. So just bringing the band round, bring it round again. Grabbing the blue, doing a band inside the band. And then grabbing a little bit more orange. And then going to continue with the orange. And I'm going to grab the blue. And they're going to join up. And you can see it granulating up there. And then I'm going to get the orange. And I'm coming down this time. Grabbing the blue. Water does get very dirty with these Kuretake colours. Grabbing the orange. Okay, so I'm going to have the orange at the bottom here. And I'm going to make some blue shapes. And another line of blue shapes. Moving on to a band of colour. So I can get a little blue line in the middle there. Okay, and then I'm just going to add some stripes of colour down. Right, okay, so I'm going to let that dry. I've got a small posca pen, size 1, 0.7 millimetre, and I'm going to utilise this to just make some shapes onto the page. So just gently pressing down, and you can pick any shape you like, whatever pops into your head. So just continuing with these dots, just in a sort of random manner. waiting for this little area to dry, I think I'm going to put some darker marks on here. Couldn't wait any longer, so I got my hairdryer out to just dry this last little bit off. I think that's worked. So I'm going to just get my white Posca pen and just go round here where I've actually gone over onto the white. The Posca pens are great for this. You know, you get a little mark on your page, you're like, oh no, it's ruined. And then you think to yourself, hang on a minute. Hey presto, all is not lost. Sometimes it goes a bit smudgy like that, so you'll have to wait until it dries, but then you just layer over the top of that and it'll come good. Okay, so I'm going to get the hairdryer on the tape, and then I'm going to peel off the tape and reveal our lovely little cards. Okay, so here goes. Ooh, lovely. Oh, this is the best bit, isn't it? Pulling that tape off, revealing your little squares. Life just couldn't get any better. Okay, so just going down the sides now, trying not to pull that paper. So just pulling it up to the camera so you can see the lovely detail. You can see the marks slightly there, but only if I point it out. And there you go. Very, very easy to do. Hope you get to try. You'll love doing it. Okay then, thanks. See you soon. Bye.